Hi guys, welcome back to another video. We are finally getting a sunny day here in beautiful Edmonton, Alberta. So if you guys haven't known already, we have been in Edmonton for the past couple days. We're still here. We're about to go on the road and find Jamaican food. Now, have we been able to find Jamaican food?
No, not yet.
Not yet. What are you looking forward to the most?
Anything.
Yes guys, so we're gonna go and find this Jamaican restaurant that our Google Maps is gonna take us. We have never been there before, we don't know what to expect. We're gonna go and find that restaurant and then give an honest review of what the food is like. So if you persons are thinking of coming to Edmonton, you can have an idea, you know, if you can get Jamaican food, assuming you are from Jamaica. If you like the video, don't forget to like the video, drop a comment and
Share.
and subscribe. Alright guys, see you on the road.
Good. I think it needs more.
Then turn right.
The youth setup needs a massive amount of work. So it's multi-layered what United need to do. It's not just £200 million in the summer transfer window.
Guys, in our pursuit of finding a Jamaican restaurant, we ended up at West Edmonton Mall. Apparently the restaurant is in West Edmonton Mall. We didn't know, but nonetheless, we're gonna go in, find the restaurant, and hopefully do a little bit of exploring with you guys, alright? So come along. Yes, guys, so we're still on the quest to find a Jamaican restaurant. But check out this beautiful background, guys. If you guys are ever wondering where you should move to, come to Alberta. Now, we're actually in the second largest shopping mall in the world. And yes, guys, we're still in the shopping mall. West Edmonton Mall is where we're at. Yes, guys, so we have gotten some directions. And we are now fully on way to find this Jamaican restaurant in West Edmonton Mall. Sample it, see if the food is authentic. See if the food is affordable, see if the food reminds me of home. And there's the restaurant, babes. There it is. Hello. We've traveled from miles and valleys to get here. Jamaican? Wagwan. So what do you got going on here? These are our only options? Rice and peas. Okay. Patty. What this one there, have
Anything when you try me, I try it.
Can I get like, well, what is this taste?
It's music.
Are you gonna charge me like $16 per that, $16 per this, and $16 per that? Okay, because I would not be able to afford that. Let me just say that. So I'm gonna try potatoes of this. We're from Grande, Prairie. 4.5 hours north. Yeah, we got no Jamaican restaurants where we're from, so yeah, we've been in Edmonton for the past couple of days. So finally making. What's the biggest difference between Toronto and Edmonton? Housing price, oh yeah, that's definitely a big difference. Hold on, hold up a plate, man, but they say how much nuts eat. When they say how much nuts eat, oh, nuts, they say how much food I eat, man. Not bad, not bad. Guys, if you're in Edmonton, come and check out this spot. It's called Jamaican Jerk. Hold on. Guys, if you're in Edmonton and you're coming to West Edmonton Mall and you are Jamaican or you love Jamaican food, come and check out Jamaican Jerk Shack. Alright? Not gonna lie, we get a look at everything, as you guys can see. We ordered 2 and let me see $42 come up on the thing, which is very affordable. So you can't ball for the price, guys. Come and support it, but we're not tasting it yet though. But our taste will see what really are going on. You understand? Yes, guys, so in total everything came to $55. We got 2 large food, everything. We got a patty, because we don't sample patty in a while. And we got 2 tropical rhythms. So all in all, the price is not bad. But let's see about the taste. That's a lot of food, babes. We tell me what sample patty first, you know? Yeah, sample patty first one. Is that alright? That's alright? Yeah, not said alright. I know Nat's taste buds and my taste buds are a little bit different. So let me go into this patty and see what's my review. I mean, it's okay. It's not giving me that kick that I would expect from a tasties or a juicy beef, but it's alright. I think this is one of the best patties we have had since being in Canada. So it's not that bad. It's actually good, but it's just not Jamaican standard. Okay, talk about the food now, Bill.
Jerk chicken shop.
Your chicken shop?
Well seasoned. Well seasoned.
Oh, yeah, sir.
Malia,
What about the oxtail?
alright, I want the factory, you know. It could have been better.
Oxtail could have been better, but the jerk chicken shot.
The jerk chicken shop, the actual missing something, but I don't know what it is. But yeah, jerk chicken shop.
What about the jerk pork?
Hold on, we can't do everything.
Alright guys, so crime scene of the party. Now this is what my food is looking like. Guys, this only cost $21. Amazing. Could never be in Grand Prairie. But let's sample it.
Malika.
Try the jerk pork first.
It is nice. Yeah, it is nice. Malia.
Guys, jerk pork, perfect. Perfect. I hope you guys are not watching this video when you're hungry. If you are, I'm sorry. But this jerk pork, excellent. Nice. Alright guys, we're gonna try the rice and peas now. Now rice and peas is something that we eat almost every Sunday. So if you guys are watching this video, you're not from Jamaica or the Caribbean, rice and peas is really rice with red kidney beans mixed together with coconut milk and a bunch of different seasoning. It's usually cooked every Sunday in most Jamaican households. Fairly a common staple. Let's give it a shot. Well, to be honest, rice and peas kind of taste regular. The thing is, they use jasmine rice, and I'm not a big fan of jasmine rice, but it's okay. That would be my review of the rice and peas. What do you think, Bianca? All about rice and peas?
I don't like rice and peas. So
She's the only Jamaican that don't like rice and peas.
So it's okay. If you like rice and peas, maybe you will like this.
Nah.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
So this is what is left, guys. Oxtail bone. No more jerk pork. The jerk pork was the star of this show. Not gonna lie. The jerk chicken, I'm not sure if it was because I had the jerk pork, so it kind of overpowered the taste of the jerk chicken. And the oxtail was just kind of regular. I think my oxtail is better. But all in all, I'll probably give this a 5 out of 10. 5 or 6. A 6 out of 10. 5, probably 5 is...
6 out of 10.
Why you give it a 6?
The pork shops.
The pork shop, but...
You can't take it with my pork. I eat rice and peas, so but persons who eat rice and peas or this type of rice might like it.
Yeah, I probably bump it up to a 6 actually. Because the jerk chicken is not bad, but it's just not on the standard of the jerk pork. Plus we did eat off both sides, so that's a fair rating. So now we're just gonna go around a little bit more, guys. And then yeah, that concludes this video.